Good morning. Today, class 4 is going to present the assembly, and the topic for today's assembly is Be kind to others. Kindness is a gesture, kindness is a quality. If we are kind to others, the other person is not only benefited, even we feel nice, we feel good, we feel positive. There is a term, pay it forward. Do you know what it means? When we do something good with others and that other person does something good with a third person, a chain of good deeds is framed. And this is called as pay it forward. And believe me, this makes the world a much better place to survive. So, with this beautiful thought, let us begin the assembly.
Hello everyone, I am Anjat Tripathi. Today I am going to do the prayer. The name of the prayer is सुबह सवेरे लेकर तेरा नाम प्रभु. Join your hands and close your eyes. सुबह सवेरे लेकर तेरा नाम प्रभु, करते हैं हम शुरू आज का काम प्रभु. सुबह सवेरे लेकर तेरा नाम प्रभु, करते हैं हम शुरू आज का काम प्रभु. शुद्ध भाव से तेरा ध्यान लगाएं हम, विद्या का वरदान तुम्हीं से पाएं हम. विद्या का वरदान तुम्हीं से पाएं हम. तुम्हीं से आगात तुम्हीं से अंजाम प्रभु, करते हैं हम शुरू आज का काम प्रभु. करते हैं हम शुरू आज का काम प्रभु. गुरुओं का सत्कार कभी ना भूले हम, इतना महान बने कि गगन को छू लें हम. इतना महान बने कि गगन को छू लें हम. तुम्हीं से हर सुबह तुम्हीं से शाम प्रभु, करते हैं हम शुरू आज का काम प्रभु. सुबह सवेरे लेकर तेरा नाम प्रभु, करते हैं हम शुरू आज का काम प्रभु. करते हैं हम शुरू आज का काम प्रभु. Thank you.
Good morning everyone, get ready for English prayer. Where the mind is without fear and the head is held high. Where the knowledge is free and the word has not been broken up into fragments by narrow domestic walls. Where the words come out from the depth of truth and the tireless striving stretches its arm to what perfect say. Where the clear stream of reason has not lost its way into the dirty desert sand of their habits. Where the mind is led forward mighty into ever widening thought and action. Into the heaven of freedom, my Father, let my country away.
Nation pledge. India is my country and all Indians are my brothers and sisters. I love my country and I am proud of its rich and varied heritage. I shall always strive to be worthy of it. I shall give my parents, teachers and all the respect and treat everyone with courtesy to my country and my people and pledge my devotions in their well-being and prosperity along like my happiness. Jai Hind.
Good morning everyone. I am Maisi Vastav of class 4th. The thought of the day is kindness makes you the most beautiful person in the world, no matter what you look like. I repeat once again, kindness makes you the most beautiful person in the world, no matter what you look like. Thank you.
Good morning, I am Arjun Srivastav of class 4 presenting some amazing facts. Number 1. The heart of a ship is located in its head. Number 2. A snail can sleep for 3 years. Number 3. Slugs have 4 noses. Number 4. Elephants are the only animals that cannot jump. Number 5. It takes a sloth 2 weeks to digest its food. Number 6. Giraffes have no vocal cords. Number 7. An ostrich's eye is bigger than its brain. Thank you. Good morning. I am Adut Srivastav of class 4th. I am going to do some exercises. Exercises are good for health. Do exercises daily. Number 1. Neck exercise. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Number 2. Shoulder exercise. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Number 3. Body balancing exercise. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Thank you.
I am Lakshmi Singh, class 4, Mantora Public School. Get ready for National Anthem. Tab